Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Work on a cold 3.6L 2013 Dodge Charger with the battery negative disconnected. Relieve system pressure by opening the radiator cap slowly. Wear gloves and eye protection. Place a suitable 3 to 5 gallon catch pan beneath the radiator drain petcock, then open it to drain coolant until flow stops. Loosen hose clamps with a 1/4-inch screwdriver or socket and disconnect the lower and upper radiator hoses. Label or photograph wiring and sensor connectors before unplugging them. After draining, remove the plastic trim and air intake to access the radiator support bolts. Use 10 mm and 13 mm sockets to remove support and mounting bolts. Set fasteners aside in an organized tray. Unplug the fan electrical connector, coolant temperature sensor, and any transmission cooler lines using proper line wrenches if equipped. If the AC condenser shares mounts, loosen its fasteners to allow clearance. Carefully lift the radiator straight up and out, angling slightly to clear the fan shroud and condenser without bending cooling fins. Position the new radiator into the vehicle, aligning upper and lower mounts. Lower it straight in to avoid contact with the fan shroud. Reinstall and tighten the 10 mm and 13 mm mounting bolts. Reconnect coolant hoses with their 1/4-inch clamps, plug electrical connectors, and reattach any condenser fasteners. Refill with the manufacturer-recommended coolant while leaving the bleed screw open at the thermostat housing to allow trapped air to escape. Start the engine and run to operating temperature. Monitor for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.